I didn't know how much I needed to be at ACOT until I came to ACOT.
You need to be at ACOT 2022. When you walk in, you'll be greeted by our friendly registration staff. And we'll be there throughout the conference to answer all of your questions. You'll get a custom printed badge with a QR code to streamline your time. Plus, you'll have access to our app with all the up-to-the-minute information you'll need. Our app can help you keep up with all the different classes we offer that are the heart of what we do. And don't forget about all the prizes you can win.
That won the swag bag. Here, just for you, man.
This year, when you visit our exhibit hall, make sure you stop by and say hello to silver sponsor Scale Computing. Learn about the ways they can help with your hyperconvergence needs. Finish off your day by kicking back at one of our after-hours events.
I came at the recommendation of my friends, but in hindsight, I came really to expand my horizons and learn about the ed tech that's happening in our state.
ACOT, brought to you in part by Scale Computing. Visit us online today.